In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Yahoo Mail account using Google to navigate you through the process. Whether you're looking to simplify your email management or you're a first-time user setting up a new account, I've got you covered. So let's get started. First, open up any web browser of your choice, such as Chrome or Firefox, and in the search bar, simply type in Yahoo. Then hit enter. By doing this, you're likely to be directed to a page filled with links related to Yahoo services. The search engine gathers relevant results that will make it easier for us to locate the Yahoo Mail website. Next, you'll notice that the first link appearing in the list should be Yahoo's official webpage for Yahoo Mail. Go ahead and click on that first link. Essentially, we're just one click away from entering the portal where all our Yahoo Mail adventures begin. Moving forward, we're going to dive into creating your account. So let's follow along as we guide you through the sign up process. Once you land on the Yahoo Mail homepage, look around for the sign up button. Usually you can find this button prominently displayed to encourage new users to join the platform. Clicking on sign up will take you to the registration page, where you'll start inputting your personal information. Now let's discuss the details needed to create your account. Yahoo will ask for basic information such as your first name, last name, and mobile number. You'll also need to choose a username, which will be the email address people use to contact you via Yahoo Mail. Try picking something unique yet easy to remember. Additionally, setting up a strong password is key to securing your new account, so ensure it's a combination of letters, numbers, and symbols. With all the needed fields filled out, you'll find yourself ready to take the next step. Merely clicking on the next button will propel you forward. It's always helpful to double check the information you've entered up to this point just to ensure accuracy. Take a deep breath, review your details, and once you feel satisfied with everything, proceed to the next step. From here, Yahoo may prompt you to verify your mobile number for added security. This could involve a quick text message or call to ensure the number is yours. Once confirmed, you're officially in and your Yahoo Mail account is ready for use. And that's it, everyone. You've successfully created a Yahoo Mail account using Google for navigation. I hope this guide was clear and helpful, and you're now ready to explore everything